This is a joystick controller board. It is unique in that it uses Hall effect sensors to determine positioning. Oftentimes, it's actually done through switches and things like that. Over here at the scope, we have the output of the multiplexer IC. That's required to do this because we have different channels coming in. We have to turn that into a digital signal for a microcomputer to respond to and create outputs. This is a magnet, and this is what appears in that joystick on the other side of this board. If we look at the scope here, we are going to take this magnet across the Hall effect sensors. And as you can see, it went up and down. Sometimes we'll get pulses. Here we have more pulses. What we are doing is we're moving to each Hall effect sensor and causing it to respond. And basically, that is how this system works. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.